Hey guys, check this out. I just got the Wolfbox G900 Pro. Let's see what comes in the box. The first thing we find is the mirror itself. Gorgeous. We also get a cigarette lighter plug, GPS unit, rear-facing camera, 2 different size mounts, camera mounts, cable management plugs, a trim removal tool, some cool stickers, and the manual. I also picked up the Hardwire kit. Inside, you get the Hardwire power cables, fuse taps, and another manual. So now that we've got it all laid out, let's get it installed. First, we'll grab the rear camera. Look at the quality on this thing. Open the rear tailgate. Remove the trim, place the camera, and feed the wires through the vent in the tailgate. Connect the camera, then feed the cables along the stock wiring harness. Now you can put that trim back on. Run the cables along the trim from the tailgate all the way up to the front of the Jeep. The trim tool can help you push this into place without pulling all the panels off. In the front seat, I pulled the trim up a bit and ran it along the outer side of the trim. Now remove this panel. And using a 10mm socket, loosen the grab handle. Continue running the cable up the trim and feed it into the upper trim panel portion behind the sun visor. My Jeep has the Sky One Touch roof, so this front trim panel has a ton of extra space. I was able to tuck the wire completely without having to remove any of this paneling. Now grab the 2 shorter rubber mounts, attach them to the mirror, and then place the Wolfbox in place. Using the cigarette lighter power adapter, let's test this out. Perfect. Now, let's install the GPS unit. Remove the adhesive backing, place the unit inside of your trim, and tuck away the wires. Then, run the wire where it will hook into your mirror. Now, let's remove our cowl panels, open the hood, and pop open our fuse box. I'm going to tap the red wire into 21, and we'll put the yellow wire into 52. Take your fuses out and place them in the tap, then reinstall the tap in the fuses slot. Once both are attached, hook the ground to an existing bolt on the fender. Now put the lid back on your fuse box and you can see how I ran the wires here. Now hide the power unit somewhere in this panel and replace the trim. After running the power lines through the trim, tighten the grab handles back down and snap the covers back into place. Now we just need to plug everything in. Put the cowl cover back on. And let's test it out. Magic! Time to peel back the film and hit the streets. You'll notice the front camera is partially blocked in my Jeep. The Sky One Touch along with the Adaptive Cruise blocks part of the view. That said, the camera sticks out quite a bit and the views are still great. And that's it for this one, guys. As always, thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.